Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Something a little different this week. All the work I've been doing was to get this car out to a car show before the season ended. So I'm getting ready to head out to the end of the year car show for the Snake Pit at Suds Maguire Grill. It's basically an all Ford show, but it's probably going to be primarily Mustangs. So that being said, I am going to get in the car and head on over there. What you'll see here is some footage of the show. Most likely going to have music overlaying the footage because they'll probably have a DJ there playing tunes and don't want to deal with the copyright stuff. So that being said, I'm going to get in the car and leave. And next thing you should see is all the cars that are at the show. Well, couldn't time that better. Pulled in right as the sky opened up and it started pouring. So a few little drops on the car, but nothing too bad. So that being said, if you want to keep following along on the channel, please hit like, please hit subscribe, please hit the notification bell. If you have any questions or comments about anything I've done on the channel, please leave them in the comment section below. I do review them. I will reply. I do have a second YouTube channel devoted to firearms. If that's something you're interested in, check out the description of the video. There is a link. I also have a Rumble channel where I'm posting the same firearm content. If you're interested or on Rumble, I'd appreciate it if you check it out and follow me there. There's a link in the description as well. I do have some merch I'm selling. You probably see it below this video. Link in the description as well. That being said, thank you very much for watching and have a great day.